In a move to make Bharat Atmanirbhar, IIT Ropar has developed a device named AmbiTag. It is India's first indigenous temperature data logger for cold chain management. The temperature recorded by the device helps to know whether the transported items are still usable or perished because of temperature variation. This information is particularly critical for vaccines, organs and blood transportation. The device has been developed and conceptualized under Technology Innovation Hub Awadh, which is Agriculture and Water Technology Development Hub, and its startup Scratchnest. For more information on this device, its features and price, we have with us Awadh Project Director Professor Pushpendra P. Singh. Let's see what he has to tell us about the AmbiTag.
AmbiTag is actually an ambient temperature data logger. As you can also understand from the name Ambi we actually took from ambience, and tag is a tag which can be connected with the commodities or with the objects or with the things which need to be transferred without getting cold chain breaked. So this device records the temperature in the real time, and user can define what should be the interval of the time for which this data should be recorded, and it records data for 90 full days on the single charge. This is all about AmbiTag in short.
On being asked what makes the AmbiTag first of its kind IoT device, Professor Pushpendra said,
Yeah, first of its kind because there are two things that I would like to tell you. One is the battery life. So usually the devices that are available internationally in the market, they have the battery life starting from 30 to 60 days. This is the first device which runs on the battery for 90 days. And how did we do this? We actually introduced a MOSFET switch in the device, which switch off the device when it is not being used. Suppose you are recording data every 10 minutes. Device is switched off for 8 minutes and it automatically switched on for the remaining time to record the data. So this way we could able to achieve 90 days of battery life. This is one thing that makes it unique. The other thing that makes it unique is the temperature range. It records the temperature, or it works in different geographical locations from minus 40 degree to plus 80 degree. The other devices that are available in the market, they are not recording such a big range. The third thing, if you ask, is about this is the cost. The cost is of course a financial matter, but still the device that is being sold in the country is being sold from 3 to 5,000 rupees, which are available imported devices. This is the first device which has been created in India at IIT Ropar, and the cost of the device is only 400 rupees. And we have used all the electronic chips and processors in the device which are being used by Apple. So this is actually leading device in the industry.
We also got to know from him how Awadh and its startup Scratchnest is associated with the development of this device.
Awadh is, as you probably learn or know, Awadh is a hub, a technology innovation hub by Department of Science and Technology. India government recently has given 25 hubs of this kind. We are the only institute which have technology innovation hub in the domain of agriculture and water. So we supposed to develop cyber physical systems at IIT Ropar and together with our partners. We supposed to contribute in the startup ecosystem. Scratchnest is co-sponsored or co-supported by Awadh and TVIF of IIT Ropar. So Scratchnest is our startup. The idea was the device will be developed, conceptualized at Awadh, and then the production part of it will be given, the responsibility of IoT production will be given to Scratchnest. So this is a joint venture of Scratchnest and Awadh.
Let's see what he told us about the production and price of AmbiTag.
Production, as I said, this is the first probably from IIT Ropar. It's an indigenously built device. It has been completely from the scratch developed at IIT Ropar. Price are extremely reasonable, so only 400 rupees. That is actually the production price. And when it goes for COVID, our idea is that we will be supporting the cause of fighting COVID with our efforts from IIT Ropar at the rate of 400 rupees, which is the production cost. And this may be considered as a small contribution from IIT Ropar in the fight with corona.
So we heard straight from the horse's mouth about the Made in India AmbiTag. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and take care.